most American companies diversified away from Europe a long, long time ago. Remember, even before COVID, the Eurozone had been limping along for years. Europe hasn't been a great growth engine in ages. I'm not saying it's unimportant. There's a lot of people, it's like 800 million people over there. But American firms that try to do business there often end up getting burned. Like when GE foolishly bought that Alstom for far more than it was worth and wasn't able to rationalize it at all. They're still paying the price for that stupid acquisition. Sure, the consumer packaged goods plays move a lot of merchandise over there, but they won't be hurt by a recession. Same goes for McDonald's, for Nike, for Starbucks. Fifth, finally, our big tech companies still do tons of business in Europe, but these are all stay-at-home economy stories. The biggest threat to them is the European regulators. France and the Netherlands just reached a deal to go after 20 American tech companies for unfair practices. Oh, but we've seen this before. And usually the problem goes away after our tech firms pay some kind of fine. It's a shakedown. Europe doesn't have a tech sector that can rival ours, so it's not like they can take the business elsewhere. But periodically they get hit up for big money. No big deal. Business as usual. Check, please. All that said, yes, COVID is making a third run at us here. We're still jokers when it comes to testing and contact tracing. I call it like it really is, all right? Jokers. Okay, I'm not going to mince words. 200,000 people die, for heaven's sake. We don't have a national strategy in every state. It's like if Montana were to fight against Japan and Nebraska was going against Germany in World War II. That's kind of what we're doing. I don't think it's efficient. But unlike Europe, we've gotten used to the pandemic because it never really went away. We spent months coming up with coping strategies to protect our most vulnerable. In Europe, they thought they had the virus beaten. They had months where things were almost back to normal. And now the COVID's come roaring back. It's like they're reliving what happened in March. The bottom line, on a day like today, where the morning traders foolishly dump everything, you've got to pounce and do some buying. I don't know when the next buyable dip will come along, but when it happens, and it's one of these ones where the pajama traders cause it, I want you to be ready.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.